Did you know that millions of individuals out there are creating millions of money every day, every month, creating any piece of content without going on any social media platform, without staging any live, without any, even any form of talking? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is the lady that says poverty is a bastard. You can use your smartphone with internet and make money. When we are talking about making money, we are meaning sitting at the comfort of your home. Either you are at work, you are a mother, you are a student, are you doing a part-time job? Do you want to make freelance job, or you want to make it a real job? You can make millions of money without going on social media, without going on YouTube, without doing anything on TikTok, without doing anything on Facebook. Do you want to start making money right now? Yes, if you want to start making money right now, be with me, please. This is good news. This video was, can I say was, was pushed. This video was inspired by many questions that I've been getting, and today I'm answering a lot of questions from very different, from many people and different nationalities, different nations, by using this question that was gotten yesterday. Yeah, you've been asking about this, but thank God, today I'm bringing for you good news. Let's dive in and see how you can earn money without going live, how you can earn money without a stress of any social media platform. How do you earn money without a stress of making content like how I'm doing? Let's dive in and see what. You want to start earning extra cash online but don't want to post on social media like the way you have asked and the way you have seen one of the fans, one of the followers of the market show, who is representing a majority of the questions and majority of the people that have been asking this question. Good news is today. There are many ways to make money with just a smartphone, not even social media is needed. You're not going to go to social media. Let's dive into some of the best options to make money from your phone. By the end of this video, you would have learned how to make money. You would have even appreciated our videos that we made previously on this channel. Today, we are breaking down how to earn money online with your smartphone without creating content, going live, or growing followers on social media, without that hassle of looking for watch hours, watch minutes. From doing simple surveys to task-based apps, these are options and deal if you are looking for low committed or commitment ways to earn some cash in your spare time. First and foremost, let me talk about paid work and surveys. Paid work, let's talk about it. It's a platform where you can earn by completing surveys and other simple tasks. Signing up is free and super quick, and you can start making money right away. Each survey only takes a few minutes, and every completed survey means money straight to your account. It's an ideal way to earn cash when you have some downtime. Just think, every minute spent on your phone could be money in your pocket. And on this paid work, you don't only do surveys. You can go ahead and do video ads. You do tasks and many more. You can also refer to our video here, whereby we talked about paid work in details. Now there are some people who have been asking about this. Why did I bring out paid work and surveys at the first? Paid work with surveys, this is the most paying gig that is on paid work. That's why I brought it first. But you can go ahead and do other 5 ways of earning money on paid work without creating content. The second thing that you can do with your smartphone and internet and get money without doing content, without going on social media, without a hassle, is task-based apps. What do I mean by task-based apps? Let me take an instance of field agent and gig work. You remember, if you visit our channel previously, please go to our channel and visit their detailed explanations about field agent and gig work. Another great way to earn is by using task-based apps, you people, like field agent and gig work. These apps pay you to complete small tasks in your area, such as taking photos of products in stores or answering questions about a shop layout. All you need is your smartphone, and these jobs can pay you up to 10 to 15 per task. Imagine making money while you run errands or shop, all by using your phone. You guys, what I tell you, this field agent and gig work, you can get it worldwide, and the method of payment is very easy. I refer you to one of the videos. Please go there and watch it. The third way is micro job apps, e.g., Premise. I think you remember Premise. I told you about Premise, and today I'm breaking it down. Please, I refer you, go and watch it. It is so detailed and you will love it. For even more options, check out micro job apps like Premise. Premise pays you to complete local assignments or report on various activities in your area. Whether it's snapping a photo of a restaurant menu, or confirming a business location, it's an easy way to make money without any social media requirement. The more tasks you complete, the more you can earn. How do you do with the Premise? Premise is one of the things that you just walk from one area to another. And it is also worldwide, it is on smartphone, and it is also on iPhone. You can access it just right away on your phone and start right away as long as you have internet. If you want the detailed one also, please, all these ones we have them before. We talked about them in details. We have cashback and survey apps. I love this one because it has made people earn a lot of money. When we talk about cashback and survey apps, we talk about swagback and inbox dollars. You guys, if you love shopping or taking surveys, cashback and survey apps like swagback and inbox dollars are perfect for you. These apps reward you for answering questions, watching short videos, or even shopping through their app. With points that you can redeem or cash or gift cards, they will give them to you. These apps are ideal for making money in your spare time. All you need is your smartphone and your internet. Now to you, my ladies, my gentlemen who have been asking about this. Making money online doesn't mean that you have to be a talker, you have to be a motivation speaker, you have to research like some of us. No. You have to do what you need to do best. Like the way you said, maybe you're not in position to sit in front of the camera. This is a right gig for you. Let's go down and also remember to do this. Whether it's surveys, task-based jobs, or cash apps, there are plenty of ways to make money online without smartphone, with your smartphone, and without your smartphone. No social media required. You guys, it's not a must that you have to be on social media for you to earn money. If you can't earn money on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on all those, the best part is that all these options give you flexibility and freedom to earn as much or as little as you want. You will sit down and decide how much do you want and how do you do it. You set your goals, you sit down, you put your time, you put your schedule and start making this money. Just pick an app right away that suits your style and start earning from anywhere. Why I love this one is that it can be used by anybody, irrespective of who you are. The disclaimer is that when you're starting these apps, please don't go to the don't go to the showroom and start saying I'm going to take this. It should be hopeful, but it doesn't mean the moment you start it you're going to get those billions of money. No, it's a process and you have to learn. But at least when you're doing these cashbacks, you're in position to earn some money and you're in position not to lack basic needs, you're in position not to lack rent, you're in position not to lack going outside with your friends, shopping any kind of clothes and anything you will need to do. You guys, earning money with your smartphone is easier than ever, and you don't need a big following or social media presence. With these apps, you can make money from surveys, small tasks, and more. All of you people, they are at the disposal of your terms. You set your terms and execute them. Have you tried any of these methods that I've put for you? Please share your experience in the comment section, and really don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to make money online without social media platform. Since I've known that there are majority that need it, I will have to bring you more. Please don't forget. I love you so much. Let's meet in another video. Let's go and make money without our social media presence. Bye bye.